Ito maganda. Good job, troops. Go. Keep going, troops. Day 3. So burnt still. Like, holy crap. We got the arms yesterday. Parts of the leg. Breakfast. Hot singon.
Ako din mga 1 liter.
Bangka po natin, lahat po ha. So, tatalayin niyo po, cellphone niyo lang. Sir. Saka yung mga gamit niyo, iwan niyo lang po rito. So, dito po, mas maganda maligo ba kasi magandang buhangin dito. Enjoy niyo na rin.
Dito tayo sa 7 Commando Beach now.
Marami lang oras.
This beach is just like relaxed beach. There's no fish. You know, but I'm just swim, enjoy the beach.
Saan tayo pupunta? Ayun na, oh. Ano? Ano masasabi nyo?
Hello!
Ay!
Hello! Pop!
Oops!
Driver nyo!
Sikot sa Pen! Ako nga, Pen! Pen, mali! Right! Sabihin ko sa'yo, right? 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 Medyo kailangan po ng ano, ng training ng mga drivers natin. Ayan.
Anong klaseng driver ka, Day?
Anong nangyari sa inyo? Kasi baka ba di marunong? Ang ganda, oh. Ayan, oh. Wow.
Ang ganda.
Wow, ang ganda. Joke. Ito nga yun, sarap mag-picture dito. Ayan.
Go, you guys, yes, go. Guys, this is beautiful. This view is amazing. And I'm like burning to a crisp. You know, you can stand. Wow. Good job, troops. Go. Keep going, troops. The freaking fish will come and bite you. They've bit me a few times. They just swim up and bite you. Try to bite your toes. Bit my leg. The friggers, they come and bite you. Those little white ones that I just filmed. They'll come and bite you. Sama. Our boatmates, they don't know how to paddle, so they're trying to direct them which way. It's so funny to look at.
Parang walang kinain mag-kilo pag Left! 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 Sir, left! Left!
Mag-google tayo ng left sa Indian.
Hindi sila marunong.
Nagpahinga isa eh.
It's literally chaos in these areas.
Saan na? Wala nang ano.
They made it, finally.
Baka mabasa yan. Wala pa siyang wallet.
So my day, I think, is gonna be over in the sun. At least my shoulders. Let's see, what do they look like? It's bubbling. My shoulders are bubbling. Oh my gosh.
So what did you learn from this trip?
Sunscreen.
Pak.
Dapat sunscreen.
Hindi ka immortal.
Immortal.
You're not brown like us.
Yeah.
Do solid mga tweet.
Mas madaming tao dito sa A kahit sa C.
Oo, solid tayo dito.
Oh.
Kasi parang hinahype nila eh. Mas hype to eh. Wow, ang linaw! Tara!
Linaw?
Sobra! Ito!
Balat ko. Ang sakit. Here ko na. Here we go. We're in the secret. It's all disturbed. It looks cooler when it's not disturbed, like the ground. It's all right. It's not the best. It's in a little spot. That's it. Ano mga isip mo tungkol sa dito? Pangit? Maganda?
Parang Dolomite Beach po yung kulay. Ito daw yung Secret Lagoon. Ay, hindi ko alam, Secret Lake, gano'n. Pero, dapat wala nakakapunta kung secret. Diba?
Diba? Secret.
Sobrang init siya. Siguro sobrang daming ihi.
Sarap! But it's a good coral reef to snorkel in now, so we're gonna find out. So let's go look. Natutunan today. iPhones are water resistant, not waterproof.
Water stupid.
Wala na yung iPhone niya. Patay na. Shout out to Celestial. When you watch this video in 5 years, your dad, he broke your iPhone. New captain, bagong captain. Saya niya, no? My whole body. My whole body is hurt.
Much later.
Ayan. Diretso mo nga. Diretso mo.
Parang zombie.
Oh!
Sa braso, nakita niyo yan, may blisters.
lizard
Sa
skin.
mukha. Ayan. O, dili, pakita mo yung lizard skin mo.
Ito.
Ayan.
Lizard skin.
Tika lang. Para mag, ano. Ayan.
Novice.
Ayan. Anong nararamdaman mo?
Sakit. Sa buong katawan.
Worth it ba yung
No.
mga corals and fishes?
Yes. Para sa vlog. Para sa'yo. Lahat ng mga viewers.
Yes, opa.
Dapat subscribe kayo lahat. Pag manood kayo. Hashtag sunburn.
Para saan naman ang sasabihin mo sa family mo? Paano may explain?
Mom, I'm sorry I didn't put on sunscreen. I know you're gonna be mad at me when you see me.
Sabi mo?
Para siyang uminom ng 100% alcohol.
Dala yung mga souvenir. This El Nido town reminds me of Mexico. It's like the same vibes. Yes, I'm still sunburned. Adita. Here we go. Crab. Sinigang na hipon. Alright, that food was sobrang sarap ng pagkain namin. The mussels were fresh mussels, so good, sarap.